Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The book of Ezra, chapter 7, verses 1 to 28:1. Now after these things, in the reign of Artaxerxes king of Persia, Ezra, the son of Sariah, the son of Azariah, the son of Hilkiah, two the son of Shallum, the son of Zadok, the son of Ahitub, three the son of Amariah, the son of Azariah, the son of Meraioth, four the son of Zerahiah, the son of Utzi, the son of Buki, five the son of Abishua, the son of Phinehas, the son of Eleazar, the son of Aaron the chief priest. Six, this Ezra went up from Babylon. He was a skilled scribe in the law of Moses, which the Lord, the God of Israel, had given. And the king granted him all his request, according to the Lord his God's hand on him. 7. Some of the children of Israel, including some of the priests, the Levites, the singers, the gatekeepers, and the temple servants went up to Jerusalem in the 7th year of Artaxerxes the king. 8. He came to Jerusalem in the 5th month, which was in the 7th year of the king. 9. For on the 1st day of the 1st month he began to go up from Babylon. And on the 1st day of the 5th month he came to Jerusalem, according to the good hand of his God on him. 10. For Ezra had set his heart to seek the Lord's law, and to do it, and to teach statutes and ordinances in Israel. 11. Now this is the copy of the letter that King Artaxerxes gave to Ezra, the priest, the scribe, even the scribe of the words of the Lord's commandments, and of his statutes to Israel. 12. Artaxerxes, king of kings, to Ezra, the priest, the scribe of the law of the perfect God of heaven. Now, 13. I make a decree that all those of the people of Israel, and their priests and the Levites in my realm, who intend of their own free will to go to Jerusalem, go with you. 14. Because you are sent by the king and his 7 counselors to inquire concerning Judah and Jerusalem, according to the law of your God, which is in your hand. 15. And to carry the silver and gold, which the king and his counselors have freely offered to the God of Israel, whose habitation is in Jerusalem. 16. And all the silver and gold that you will find in all the province of Babylon, with the free will offering of the people and of the priests, offering willingly for the house of their God, which is in Jerusalem. 17. Therefore you shall with all diligence buy with this money bulls, rams and lambs with their meal offerings and their drink offerings, and shall offer them on the altar of the house of your God, which is in Jerusalem. 18. Whatever seems good to you and to your brothers to do with the rest of the silver and the gold, do that according to the will of your God. 19. The vessels that are given to you for the service of the house of your God, deliver before the God of Jerusalem. 20. Whatever more will be needed for the house of your God, which you may have occasion to give it out of the king's treasure house. 21:1. Even I, Artaxerxes the king, make a decree to all the treasurers who are beyond the river, that whatever Ezra the priest, the scribe of the law of the God of heaven, requires of you, it shall be done with all diligence. 22 up to 100 talents of silver, and to 100 cores of wheat, and to 100 baths of wine, and to 100 baths of oil, and salt, without prescribing how much. 23. Whatever is commanded by the God of heaven, let it be done exactly for the house of the God of heaven. For why should there be wrath against the realm of the king and his sons? 24. Also we inform you that it shall not be lawful to impose tribute, custom, or toll on any of the priests, Levites, singers, gatekeepers, temple servants, or laborers of this house of God. 25. You, Ezra, according to the wisdom of your God that is in your hand, appoint magistrates and judges, who may judge all the people who are beyond the river, who all know the laws of your God, and teach him who doesn't know them. 26. Whoever will not do the law of your God and the law of the king, let judgment be executed on him with all diligence, whether it is to death, or to banishment, or to confiscation of goods, or to imprisonment. 27. Blessed be the Lord, the God of our fathers, who has put such a thing as this in the king's heart, to beautify the Lord's house, which is in Jerusalem. 28, and has extended loving kindness to me before the king and his counselors, and before all the king's mighty princes. I was strengthened according to the Lord my God's hand on me, and I gathered together chief men out of Israel to go up with me. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the book of Ezra, chapter 7, verses 1 to 28. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.